Hello little ones, today we're gonna draw a Christmas scene. We're gonna start with the face, the nose and the mustache. We're gonna draw the eyes, eyebrows and hat next. Then we're gonna do his beard and the body. Start with the cone shape and just draw the gloves at the end. The bottom part and Santa's belt. Then we're gonna draw his feet. And we're gonna do to the side a Christmas tree. Just do 3 similar shapes, one on top of the other. The base. We're gonna decorate it with some globes. Spread them out however you prefer. Christmas star on top. And we're gonna draw Santa's bag with a little string. The ground. A few pebbles. We're fixing the last part of the tree we forgot. And then we're gonna start with color. We're gonna use this peach color for the face, a warmer color for the nose and a warmer one for the cheeks. Same gray for eyebrows and mustache and a lighter one for the beard. Do the mouth with the pink and then we're gonna use the same shade of red for his hat, his coat, Santa's pants and the Christmas bag. I'm gonna use the same thing on the globes. And bright yellow for the Christmas star. I'm gonna use a lighter shade of green for the upper part. And as we go down, we're gonna use darker green for the bottom. Now we're going to do the ground just by doing a darker blue shade. We forgot Santa's gloves, belt and shoes. That's it. Good job. We've left the sky clear. You can do whatever you want. Clouds, wind, snow. See you next time. Bye.